Don't move my ear. Oh, that's really good right there.
That's pretty beautiful.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Good shot there by the number 4.
This might be about.
You're still going.
He's still going. He'll come back.
It is.
Four, line him up.
This guy's pushing. Dude, stop pushing each other. Stop pushing each other into the free.
Oh, damn.
Big shot by the 747. Nose to nose with the grave digger. Axel's taking the long route. There it is.
Oh.
Good shot by the 41 on that rear axle.
The number 41's just hitting up in black. Look at him go.
Come on back, boys.
Come on back. Come on back.
Or are you just trying to get a running start?
What are you doing?
Don't let all 4 hit him. There you go.
Still going pretty good.
I know. Uh-oh. Oh, no, come on. Oh, dude, stop ramming that kid. I think he's about to run out. I think that's why he's about to run out.
Oh, look at him.
He's about to run out of track.
Look at his nickname.
Up! Number 4 helping him.
.41 on a good shot there to that rear wheel. Good nose to nose.
Oh, 41. Oh, he died. Did he die? Oh, he's pushing.
Put in reverse. Big shot by the 41.
Ready for the monster.
Oh my God, they're still going and compacting the bag. Don't.
Put him against the wall.
Oh, don't do it. Oh, God. Oh, don't do
Taking
it.
turns.
Don't do it
Look at
again.
him.
Oh, my
Looks
God.
like cousins are teaming up there.
Oh, they could sing me off. Oh my God, stop. Stop pushing them into the wall. It looks like number 41's out. He ran out back.
Uh-oh.
Maybe
You're too good.
747 got him lined up. All right.
Screen's at them without even looking at the screen.
Oh, whiplash.
41 started back.
Oh God, there. 41's doing. Oh my gosh. Stop. See.
Four to one, pushing him across the track. We lost the tailgate.
They lost the tailgate. Yep, they lost the tailgate. Oh, did they run out of battery? Oh, thanks, Zena, to be honest. Oh, don't push it any further. Don't push it any. Don't push it any.
I think he's going to lose that tailgate. What do y'all think?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Good shot.
Oh. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting. Oh my God. Stop. They still hate the blue car?
Bring him out the exit here. All right, let's give him a round of applause. We're going to let him mad dash out the exit down here to see who wins the trophy and the money. We're going to pay the top two places.
The Mad Dash. Yeah, it takes way too long. A mad dash to the exit. Dude, stop! Stop attacking each other.
All right, we're going to do a countdown once again for these guys. We're going to start at 5 as soon as they're ready. We're going to see who can get out the exit the quickest. Drivers, ready. Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! We got 4 out front. Grave digger right on his tail.
Oh, do that Toro Loco.
4 is your winner. Ooh, by 41.
What the heck?
Let's give them all a round of applause, everybody. Thank you, guys.